Indian Sanatan Yogic system is I follow my conscience and consciousness and religion of Yogic love. Roll it on, ROYL. Vegetarian club is my way of one perceiving divinity through cosmic awareness. Good food culture is essential for me brand souls. Most of the religions are following non-vegetarianism. That may be the reason for less evolution. So evolution requires a type of food that sustains spiritual values, God consciousness, paramatmic realization, cosmic realization, or yogic realization, or wonderful blissfulness and happiness through awareness of divinity within. The kingdom of heaven is within you. Who said that? Many ask why I am not following Hindus. I am following Sanatan Yogic system, ancient and modern together, in such awareness, not the belief systems of its superconscious realm, supreme awareness of everything that's under the sun, moon, the galaxy, the universe. That's more than enough. I am more than enough for that type of awareness to disseminate knowledge of my Ninjaraj yogic philosophy, nature's path. And all those who are followers of Shiva, they are considered as Hindus, is it not so? In that case, Rama was a Hindu. Ravana was also a Hindu. Krishna was a Hindu. Duryodhana, Dushasana, they are also Hindus. Food culture determines where one stands in spirituality. So it's dharma, nyaya, anyaya, everything is there in this planet, but with consciousness. Otherwise, everything is nothing but just a gymnastics. It's casual words. It's only for MESSOULs who are going to be a part of my vision and a mission. Messengers of love and religion of love. Business, spirituality and prosperity together. What type of food? That type of mind. What type of mind? That type of energy fields. What type of energy field? That type of characteristic features. If that is understandable, then thought for the day with highest clarity of a visionary path, then there is meaning for beautiful, wonderful, brilliant life in this planet to feel every soul's presence in tune with ME spirituality, soul's gathering, soul source economy, royal economy, only for those who are moving towards a Satyuga. Kali age has ended as far as I am concerned. I feel Satyugas with crystal clear clarity of a visionary path for next 1200 years minimum. So slow and steady with highest syllabus and GlobeMenons association. Messengers of love and religion of love all are determined by that type of psychology and philosophical key to open the hearts towards a new millennium is not a bad sign for human species. All can rejoice and rejoice in tune with real, original spirituality of one's own soul consciousness, one's own divine nature, divinity, divine souls. Straight, left your. I am here in this planet with highest clarity of a visionary path. INR 3794, INR 3000, INR 2000. 1,23,201 souls each in three categories for my house warming project. Straight, left your.